If your CapCut overlay is not showing, flickering, or acting like it is behind your main video, don't worry. This is usually a simple bug that you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut overlay bug step by step, so you can get your project looking normal again without having to start over. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. It really helps the channel a lot, and it means you won't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's get into the first fix. The first thing you want to do is clear the render or app cache inside CapCut. Cached files can sometimes cause overlays to glitch, freeze, or not display correctly on the timeline or preview screen. To do this, open CapCut and go to the menu area, then tap Settings. From there, look for cache size. Once you find it, clear the cache completely. This can remove temporary files that may be causing the overlay bug. After clearing the cache, give CapCut a moment to reload and then go back to your project to check if the overlay is appearing normally again. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your layer and track hierarchy. In CapCut, overlays need to sit on the correct layer in relation to the main background footage. Make sure your overlay is placed directly above the main video track, not buried below it or hidden in the wrong layer order. Sometimes the overlay is technically there, but because of the stacking order, it looks invisible or ends up behind another clip. So zoom in on your timeline if needed, check the track arrangement carefully and move the overlay to the correct position. Once the overlay is on the proper track above the background, play the timeline again and see if it shows up correctly. Now for the third fix, and this one is very useful if CapCut just needs a quick visual refresh. You can force a preview refresh by tapping out to another tab, like audio or text, and then coming back to the main timeline. This helps the app catch up if the interface is lagging or the preview is not updating properly. Another easy trick is to pause and unpause the video playback. That simple action can force the UI to reload the frame and make the overlay appear as it should. If CapCut is being slow or not visually updating the effect layer, this refresh method often solves it fast. After trying these 3 steps, your overlay bug should be fixed in most cases. Start by clearing the cache, then confirm the overlay is on the correct layer, and finally force a preview refresh if the screen still looks wrong. These are the most common fixes for CapCut overlay issues, and they can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials, editing fixes, and mobile video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.